I'm 5.5. I'm okay. My Zelda friend is I'm here already, my amigos. It's a rooftop pool, by the way, here in Boco. As you can see, we're in a very top floor. You can see the buildings there. See, so let's check it out and tour around. Well, it's a medium pool only. Okay, so watch out. Okay. I'm ready to go in the pool, but before that I have to apply sunblock because I don't want to ski. I don't want to my skin get darkened a little. So sunblock. Tall, I'm 5.5. I'm okay. My Zelda friend is see bestie because she said this is our last staycation because I'm going away. I will miss my super sexy bestie.
Hello, I'm gonna miss you to my bestie. Let's keep in touch.
Yeah, let's keep in touch. And also, we're gonna enjoy this. This hotel, by the way, is Buku Hotel. So we have only 1 hour stay here in this pool. So it's kind of limited, but it's okay. We are enjoying right now. Shout out, by the way, to all my friends and family back there, especially my soon-to-be husband and fiance, babe. They're in US. Hi, babe. Soon we'll be together. enjoying right now at the pool at the Voku Hotel. By the way, my amigos and amigas, I'm leaving Singapore in about 2 months. So I will say I'm gonna miss a lot of Singapore, especially the places like that. And also, I'm gonna miss my friend Zelda.
Bye.
So our overall experience here is, I can say, 9 out of 10. Okay, because I really like it. I'm enjoying the pool and the complimentary, the free. I really like it. So we were enjoying, and also it's not a lot that we do staycation, me and my bestie, because this hotel had a promo for nurses. So I'm so lucky that my bestie and I push it because we are so stressed at our work. Thank you for watching my video. I mean, my experience here in Voku. part of the video, my amigos and amigas, the staycation for 2022 at Voku Hotel, together with my sexy bestie friend Zelda Park.
Bye-bye, amigos, amigas. Enjoy this vlog.
Okay. So, bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep on watching me.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you